In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy items from another GIS map into the map that you are digitizing. I am also going to show you how to edit the items that you copy. We will be copying and editing polygons because they are the most difficult things to digitize. If you can copy and edit polygons, working with GIS lines and GIS points should be simple for you. Now, let's go through items 1 through 17 in the How to Copy Other People's GIS Maps into Yours section of the text, item by item. Okay. Item 1, open these three maps. Yarmouth Land Use Interpretation Rectified, which is our scanned and rectified map. Clipped Cadastre, which is a map of property boundaries. And Land Use Interpretation, which is the map that we are digitizing into. Item 2, highlight Land Use Interpretation and make it editable. Item 3, set the snapping options for Land Use Interpretation to be identical to this example. Having snapping options set for more than one map can cause problems for the newbie. Item 4, change the polygon style to be no brush and the border color to be pink. Now, if the polygon is still selected, i.e. it's shaded yellow, just click outside it with your mouse so that you can see that it is transparent. Item 5, highlight Clip Cadastre in the Layers box and zoom into here. Item 6, click the Select button, hold down the Control key and select these three Clip Cadastre polygons. Now from the Edit menu, choose Copy Features. Item 7, highlight Land Use Interpretation in the Layers panel and then in the Edit menu, select Paste Features to paste the features that we just copied. Now, if we go to the Layers panel and hide Clip Cadastre, we can see that three objects from the cadastral map have been pasted into our Land Use Interpretation map. Now, this is the same sort of copy and paste that you'll be familiar with from other Windows programs, but this time we are copying and pasting geographical objects. Item 8. All the red crosses are the nodes. They represent the mouse click, 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 click when you're digitizing. So there is a heck of a lot of those here. You can also see the hand-drawn map underneath. Item 9. We are going to merge the three polygons that we just copied so that they better represent the salt marsh land use. Make sure Land Use Interpretation is editable by highlighting it in the Layers panel and clicking the toggle editing button. Hold down the Control key and select the three polygons. Now click on the Merge Selected Features button and the Merge Feature Attributes dialog comes up. All the polygons have null values in them. Enter salt marsh into the Merge field and click OK to combine them. Now, when we click on the Information button, the merged polygon has a land use of salt marsh. Save the file and we are done with our merge. Now we can see that the cadastral objects we copied follow the boundary of the salt marsh a lot better and with much less work than manual digitizing. Cadastral boundaries are surveyed boundaries that often reflect the edges of environmental boundaries very well. Okay, item 10. Well, we've got a problem here. The land use O stands for open space, but it is within the salt marsh polygon. So we need to split this polygon. So click the Split Features button and then left click, click, click along the boundary with your mouse and then right click to split the polygon. Item 11. So what we've got now is a polygon that represents salt marsh and another now useless polygon here. Select the useless polygon and click the delete selected button. What we are left with is this area here that should be a salt marsh. Item 12. So click the add feature button and digitize the missing polygon. Right click and call it salt marsh. Item 13. Now merge the two adjoining salt marsh polygons the same way as we did in item 9. Okay, item 14, we are done. I hope that you can see that we are getting much better boundaries by copying them from the cadaster, and how much quicker that the digitizing process can be when you use this technique. The other really big advantage of this approach is that our land use interpretation map is now compatible with the cadastral map. Now, those parts of our land use interpretation map that we copied from the cadastral map will overlay the cadastral map exactly. All right, so finish up by saving your edits. Now, all you need to do is to continue using the copy, paste, merge, split, delete techniques that I've just shown you to finish building your GIS map. Ideally, you would start digitizing any map using this technique by copying things from other maps, and then just do what's left over using the hand digitizing technique. Now, when you've finished digitizing, your map has the potential to look like this one here. I show you how to shade category maps like this in my GIS for Beginners #1 QGIS orientation course. You will find a discount coupon for this course in the bonus area. So please be aware that there are important legal issues relating to intellectual property with this technique. So you should be certain that any maps you copy have the appropriate Creative Commons license before copying it. Okay, that's the end of this for now. If you haven't already left a course review, I really would appreciate that. I am sure I will see you again soon. I'm planning on adding additional videos to this lesson in the bonus section as time goes by. Right, I hope you've enjoyed the course.